Good morning, friends. How are you guys? Today I'm doing a Dollar Tree shop with me video. I was gonna just do a Dollar Tree haul, but I was like, why not just shop together? Because you guys seem to like these types of videos and I want to give you guys what you want. And I'm also very excited because it's a collaboration with my friend Kat, The Love You Give, on YouTube. I recently discovered her because she's been commenting on my channel. I checked her out. I really like her, you guys, and I think she's amazing. She has like really positive videos. She has favorites videos, but my favorite are her like inspirational, positive type of videos. Anyways, let's go to Dollar Tree. You guys, Dollar Tree has the best summer stuff. I found these little pail and shovel sets, and of course I have to get two because if Liam plays with one, Jakey wants to play with it, and then if Jakey's playing with one, Liam's gonna want to, so I have to get two. Wow, they have a lot of flip-flops. Different if you like cheetah, if you like sailing, if you like florals. Oh yes, even the plain colored ones, even hats. Ooh, even the plain black ones. Oh my gosh, kid size. These are cute. Over here, they have 4th of July goodies. Lots of 4th of July stuff. Oh my gosh, if you guys are having a 4th of July party, this is the place. Oh goodness, what'd you find?
It's a water squirt. You can pull it in the pool.
Okay, but then we have to get two, remember?
Oh yeah.
One for each. We always need bubbles, you guys. Backup bubbles. This is good. So we have a kiddie pool, and I thought it would be fun to just get random accessories for the kiddie pool. I'm thinking this little turtle. That's cute. Yeah, I'm gonna get one of those guys. Oh my gosh, should I get the watermelon instead? They have so many. Oh my gosh, do you see that? It's a splash toy and then they can get on Nemo. That's pretty cool. But I think I've decided on the turtle. And should I get two? I should probably get two. My kids will fight over it. So we'll do a watermelon and a turtle. I'm getting these dry erase markers. It's a 3-pack. And Liam has these dry erase activity books, and I think this is perfect because we keep losing the black one, so now I'll have like a backup. Guys, they have cute little books, but we Justin actually went to the thrift store and got like 20 books for Liam for like total 30 bucks, like 20, right? Wasn't it 20 something? Mm-hmm. It was crazy. So I just want to show you guys, they have really good activity books and everything, coloring books too.
So this is actually a plastic clothesline, and since we got a second car, we need to hang some more. I have this like ball that I hang from the ceiling, so when you pull the car and you know when to stop, it will definitely needs that. Yeah, I do. So I saw this in the very top. I brought it down, but I'll put it back. But I'm gonna get about 3 of these. These are good for like in-drawer organizers. I call it our crap drawer, where we like put everything in. It'd be nice to organize it just a little bit with these, so I'm getting 3. And then these long ones, I'm gonna get 2 of these guys. I probably will need more, but I'm not sure yet, so I'm just gonna get 2. But they're great for like straws. By the way, a lot of you guys asked me where I get those organizers. It's right here, you guys. These little makeup organizers, they have this one, and they also have the larger one, and they're the same price too. And then they also have this one for like lipstick or certain nail polishes that can fit. And then they have these little guys too. I'm gonna get 2 of these guys. I'm really trying to organize things lately. So 2 of these guys. I'm not getting this, but I wanted to share since it's a brand. This is Kiss. They're like glue-on nails, but you do have to buy the glue separately. Yeah. So I don't know where the glue is though. I really like these, but I don't know why they don't sell these anywhere anymore. So I'm getting 2 of these. You guys, they have like an area to swatch nail polish to see how pigmented it is. Ooh, look at that. This is a green one. Let's do more. Let's do this glittery one. Ooh, that one's kind of hard to open. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's kind of cute. When we have guests, we don't really have a thing for them to store their toothbrush, so I'm gonna get one of these guys. They sell Kleenex, the branded Kleenex. It's a 3-pack for $1, or you can do the 8-pack for $1 too. And then this is, I believe, a 6-pack for the emoji. And then they also have Thomas for a 6-pack. I am so weak for all kid things, so I think I'm gonna get the Thomas one. I know I could get an 8-pack, but Thomas. Oh, and what is this? Kleenex.
Ultra soft, moist, caring facial. I've never seen these itty bitty ones. How cute is that? Okay, but still, Thomas. So we getting some Thomas. And the best bobby pins ever, the Dollar Tree ones, 72 pack. You guys, so we were at an Airbnb and my boys were fighting over this exact Dory body wash container. Like they were just like, ah! And I did not know it was from Dollar Tree. I have to get it. I have to get it. I have to get this one and I have to get this one. I'm gonna get this honeysuckle and green tea bar of soap. These bar of soaps, like Ivory, they work so well at cleaning your beauty blender, so definitely worth getting. I have purchased so many of these little mason jar mugs. You can get it here at Dollar Tree, you guys. I also have these kinds too. These are good for like hot cocoa. Oh my gosh, is this new? I've never seen this. And then you can put like a label right here. That's nice. So here is the Tupperware section. I've actually purchased these before. The little cupcake holders, and it comes with a lid. Those are great. And then they've always got the candy. Oh my gosh, I grew up with this stuff. The Werther's candy, yes. Just the original one, not the caramel apple. I'm gonna get some baking soda, 59 cents. Whenever I come here, I always get these things. Like these little containers, because I like to bake, but I don't keep everything that I bake. We give it to Liam and Jacob's teachers, so gotta get one of those guys. And then what else? Sometimes I like these guys too. So this is like a 3-pack. And then, oh, this too. Like if I bake a cake or something, this is always nice. I just keep this like in storage, but I go through them fast. Oh, and then there's a lasagna pan. This one, there's a deeper one. This is also for like great for barbecuing, you know? I like the cleaning section a lot. I want to get one of these guys for scrubbing the bathtub. And then what else do I need? I need those magic erasers. Where are they? Where'd you go? Oh no, where'd they go? Oh, there we go. This. I love these Scrub Buddies magic erasers. This is a 2-pack. And then this too. They're the same. It doesn't matter which one you get. So I'm gonna just grab this one since it was here. And then they also have gloves. I like to clean with gloves, but I still have some at home, so I won't get that. And they even have like refill deep cleaning pads for like Swiffers. I'm gonna get this just because I want to show you guys this Cascade Platinum. I love this, and it's really great if you're gonna like stay at an Airbnb and you need to use a dishwasher. This is so great. We also get this at Costco, but you know, like the big container, but this is a 4-pack, and you can just put this in your suitcase and you're good to go. This looks good. I'm gonna get these Pop Chips Galaxy Puffs. I like going here before theater runs, or like getting them in advance and then putting it in my purse, because you know they've got like Milk Duds, Lemon Heads, Raisinets for so much cheaper than theater prices. So that's my Dollar Tree shop with me haul. Thank you guys so much for shopping with me. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't. And also definitely check out my friend Kat. She's doing a dollar theme video as well, and I can't wait to see what she gets. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!